Air pollution is a significant global challenge impacting human health, environment, and economy. Restaurants are serious contributors to air pollution by generating emissions through cooking, heating, and ventilation systems.
In Azerbaijan, in restaurants or in wedding banquets, a lot of fatty meat like kebab is cooked. This results in large amount of unpleasant odor and fumes emitted into the atmosphere. To tackle air pollution, students and staff in Ganja State University in Azerbaijan created a startup that aims to reduce air pollution using innovative, affordable, and locally developed technologies for local needs.
I'm Jahangir from the London School of Economics, and I also took part in the research for the project.
I am Aslan Sanjar. I am from Ganja State University. Our first project is a device that is composed of parts like circulation tanks, washing chambers, water sprinklers, fans, pumps, etc. This device uses filter and water to wash smoke and odor. Then, completely cleaned and odor-free air is released into the atmosphere. Here is the roof of the huge banquet hall with a capacity of 300 people. This is our device already built into the top of the restaurant, and it works very effectively. Previously, this restaurant used a system that cost around $12,000 US. This is one of the reasons why restaurants avoid using exhaust removal systems. Our system costs $4,000. Also, some of previously used systems were health-threatening using electricity to treat smoke. This process resulted in additional odor. Our system, however, uses water.
Our project also was tested and gave a positive result in one of the greenhouses where fuel oil was used as a source for heating.